You can pay your EMAAR's property installments using your DIB Roshan Digital Account online banking portal from anywhere across the world. Log on to dibroshan.dibpark.com and log into your DIB Roshan Digital Account where you will see your account balance. To avail internet banking, click here. If you are using DIB's internet banking for the first time, you have to register yourself. Enter your valid account details and click on the next button to register yourself for internet banking. Once registered, you can access DIB's online banking through your internet browser or your DIB mobile banking app. Navigate to the payment section and click on the plus button to add new payment. Select EMAAR from the category drop-down menu. Select PayPro from the service type drop-down menu. Select EMAAR from the company name drop-down menu. Enter the PayPro ID mentioned in your invoice in the consumer number field. Enter the consumer alias for your future reference of the saved payment and click on Next. Verify your invoice details. Confirm the amount and click on Next to complete your payment successfully. In case you do not have a Roshan Digital Account, you can open your Roshan Digital Account with Dubai Islamic Bank online at any time from anywhere across the world. Log on to dibroshan.dibpark.com and click on Sign Up. Select your country of residence, enter your email, mobile number, and your password that you will use to access your Roshan Digital Account online. Read and agree the terms and conditions and click on Continue to move to the next page. Upload clear pictures of the front and back of your national identity card, followed by your personal details such as first and last name, gender, date of birth, ID card number and date of issuance. You will be asked to validate your details by entering your father's or your husband's name. Select the city and the bank branch you would like to be serviced at. Select Yes if you spent more than 6 months in a year out of Pakistan. Mark the checkbox to confirm that you are a non-resident Pakistani as per SBP definition and click on Continue to move to the last page of the first step. You will have to enter the OTP sent to your email address to verify your email ID and click on Continue. Select the nature of account, either joint or individual. Select the type of account, either current or savings. Choose if you want to open an account in foreign currency or Pakistani rupees. Click on Continue to proceed to the second step. Here you will upload a picture of the inside cover and the first page of your valid passport. Confirm your passport number, expiry date, country of issuance and nationality. You will then have to confirm if you also own a nationality of any other country. Enter your personal details and statement-related information. Your occupation, employment details, monthly income bracket, purpose of account, and expected credit transactions and turnover. You will have to enter your foreign bank account details such as account title, IBAN or account number, bank's name and country to complete the second step of the account opening process. To verify your source of funds in the third step, you will have to upload a document as evidence of your employment or source of income, such as your account statement, proof of non-resident Pakistani status with a picture of your permit card, working visa or country exit or entry stamps, a picture of your signature on a plain white paper, and a selfie picture of yourself. For CRS and FATCA declaration, you will have to answer a few compulsory questions. Once answered all the questions, mark the checkbox to confirm your declaration and click on Continue to move to the fourth and final step of the process. In this section, you will have to state your tax residency details. Select your country of residence and provide your TIN number. In case you don't have a TIN number, please select one of the reasons shown as options below and click on Continue to complete your online account opening process. You will receive an email from Dubai Islamic Bank, Pakistan within the next 12 hours of completing your online account opening process for confirmation or to advise you of any discrepancy. PayPro, digitizing Pakistan.